Oh.
How do you get this thing?
Okay. You gotta, like, I don't know, lean forward really well or something. Go. Like,
Can you push me?
go down. I want to see it try to go. Like, lean forward. Like push with your foot and lean forward or something. There you go. Keep on going. Keep on going. Maybe if you do that, you'll get going fast enough. There you go. There you go. Look. All right, you did it. Almost. Oh, gee.